This is Lady, my 15-year-old dog. But lately she's getting so slippery, so I thought let's try some dog shoes. I'm not really sure if they're working though, but anyway, let's try to make them. I make a template, cut out the fabric and sew everything together. I will also add some grip. I made it out of old shoes, but you can also add some glue dots, also working very well. I will add some Velcro to keep it tight. Okay, let's try it, Lady. I hope the best for you. Well, the floor was no longer slippery to her, but she didn't feel really comfortable. She was dancing around in those shoes. Maybe she has to get used to it, but I already decided to remove the shoes. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.